Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got basis loaded lacquer, You Shot My Vase, and most of the candy coated cheesecake collection. I'll be using Ejiubas, Franmendezg, Cheeky Jumbo Plate 8. Woo! Baby girl lacquers, glitter be gone is my base coat today, and here is You Shot My Vase from Basis Loaded Lacquer. I would say that this is a really light cream, kind of acrylic kind of. I don't I'm not good at describing stuff. And it's got these like iridescent glitters in it. It's very pretty. I think it would look good over other polishes too. And that's probably what it was meant for, but I was wanting this today. I wasn't too concerned about visible nail line. So we got our second coat on there, capping that free edge there. Alright, I'm going to top this with I&Ms out the door. And we're going to get to play in here in just a little bit, I promise. Get that to dry down. That's why I use a fast drying top coat. Alrighty. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there it is on its own. I'll be using most of these, or all of these, to feed the cat Rose. And Isn't Danny Thomas one? The Men of Blanche's Boudoir. And then Grab That Dough. We've got Blow It Out Your Tube and Blurbles. And then the last one is Uncle Fingerbender and his 30-pound rutabaga. Oh, right. So I'll be using this Ejiubas Franmendezg stamping plate. I'm showing the plate. And then, oops, I'm sorry. I lost the footage of me actually stamping that part on my nails. But here we go. We're going to clean the plate up. Look. You guys just don't know. I don't know what happened to the footage. But sometimes we lose it. But I told y'all I share all of my manicures. So what I did was kind of like a gradient using those candy-coated cheesecake polishes. And I did like 2 colors on each nail up and down, So there, that's got the green and the blue on it. And then the next one's like blue and purple. It just lost my mind. So I decided it needed a little more than that. So I'll be using this cheeky stamping plate. And I'm going to use this little heart with wings on it. And I'll be using Basis Loaded Lacquer on the black for this part. See, a lot went into this manicure. That's why I'm sharing it even though I lost footage. I mean, sometimes things happen. And I don't realize it until it's too late to do anything about it. So we're picking up that image, and we're going to use this piece of tape to get the excess up, because I don't want that up on my nail or finger. So just clean it up before we stamp it. So I'm just kind of doing it like right at the smile line. I'm going to clean that plate with some acetone. Need some more acetone. Get it all good and clean. And we're going to go at this some more. And I decided to leave in me stamping the nails, all the nails with this image, since I lost the other footage of me doing that other stamping. Just trying to line it up. And these are not going to be like perfectly lined up. But y'all know your girl's not that good at the French tip thing and lining things up all the time. So we're just going to roll with it. But I ended up really liking how this one turned out. And I do need to play with the base polish, You Shot My Vase, over the other polishes from the candy coated cheesecake collection, because I just think it would just really look so good on those. I need more time to play in the nail room. So here we go. Plop, pick it up and plop it on the nail. But I really do love these polishes. The Candy Coated Cheesecake Collection. You know, I've talked about how her polishes water marble like a dream, her creams, but they also, almost all of them stamp great too. So, you know, I like getting more bang for my buck. And stamping, water marbling, painting, pretty polishes, love it. So I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that's dry, I'm going to be using Poshe top coat to finish them off. Here we go with our nice glossy quick drying top coat. Finished it all up, protect them. Get them all glossy and dry, because, you know, the drying part's the important, you know, you got to get them dry so you don't mess them up. And here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.